Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: the router SSID and admin password, plus any ISP credentials. Power cycle the modem and router and wait until all status lights are stable. Once done, enable the Wi-Fi radio on your laptop or phone and keep the device password and any two-factor codes nearby. You're starting the connection process now so you can quickly move to configuration without interruptions. Don't skip the reboot because it clears transient issues. Now connect to the router interface. Use Ethernet or the default SSID to avoid wireless dropouts. Log into the admin panel and change the SSID and set a strong WPA2 or WPA3 passphrase. Disable WPS to reduce attack surface. Next, configure DHCP to allocate a sensible IP range, create a guest network for visitors, and check for firmware updates. Apply them to patch vulnerabilities. Make sure to save settings and reboot the router so new parameters. Finish by reconnecting your devices to the new SSID and verifying internet access and local services like printers or NAS. Once confirmed, reserve static IPs for critical devices and enable CoS to prioritize traffic for smooth performance. If something goes wrong, start basic troubleshooting. Inspect cables and LED indicators, confirm ISP service, and reboot modem and router again. If persistent, reapply the latest firmware or perform a factory reset and reconfigure. Factory reset as last resort because it erases your settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.